One day, people will speak about you. They'll tell stories about who you were, what you stood for, and the impact you left behind. The question is, what will they say? Will they talk about the risk you took, the lives you changed, the way you broke generational cycles and built something that outlived you? Or will your story be one of wasted potential, of dreams that stayed locked inside your mind, or a life spent playing it safe, waiting for the right time that never came? Because here's the truth no one talks about. We are all leaving a legacy, whether we realize it or not. For some, the legacy is fear, struggle, and settling for less. For others, it's freedom, courage, and a path that future generations can follow. The choice is yours. See, we weren't put on this earth just to exist, to work until we retire, to survive instead of thrive, to live by rules that were never made to benefit us. We are here to create, to lead, to build something that lasts. But if you don't make the choice to create your legacy, life will choose it for you. And most people, they let life make the choice for them. They work hard, follow the rules, and hope that it all works out. They tell themselves, someday, man, someday, instead of realizing that someday isn't promised. But you're still here, you're still watching this video. That means that you are made for more. This is your moment. The moment where you make a decision that changes everything. Because a legacy isn't built on what you intend to do someday. It's built on what you do right now. Click the link in my profile or this post. Because one day, the people you love will look back at your life. What will they say? Make sure they see something worth following. Your future is calling. It's up to you to answer it. Take the first step here. I will see you inside Live Good. I am Gary, and I love helping people earn passive daily income.